Diwali is the festival of lights, which usually lasts around like 5 days, and it's one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus, Jains, and Sikhs. It symbolizes the spiritual victory over light, victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance.
And there are many different stories that people have found all over the South Asia of how Diwali came to be, but this is the one that my family celebrates and one of the most famous ones. So this is Ramayana, the story of Diwali. Exiled by his own father, King Dasharatha, Rama, his wife Sita, and brother Lakshmana face various hardships as they travel through the South India. In exile, Sita is kidnapped by the powerful demon king Ravana. Jatayu, the divine bird, valiantly tries to fight off Ravana, but the powerful Ravana mercilessly clips his wings. He takes Sita across the sea to his kingdom of Lanka. Rama, with the help of Sugriva, the king of Vanaras, and his trusted general Hanuman, make a bridge of stones over the sea to reach Lanka. The stones are blessed with buoyancy so they do not sink. In the fight over good and evil, Rama slays Ravana and rescues Sita. Victorious, they return to Ayodhya to welcome them. The people of Adhoya clean their houses and place oil lamps to light their path, and those are called diyas, and that's what we light on Diwali.
Okay, so here are some of the gods that we celebrate. We have Goddess Saraswati, which is the goddess of knowledge, Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, and Lord Ganesh, god of auspicious beginnings. And how do we celebrate? We light sparklers, set fireworks, and we just enjoy the view with our friends and family, and obviously eat amazing food. And now enjoy a performance from Desi Club. It's titled A Ross Dance. So hope you guys enjoy.